quick video here. I just bought this today. And guess what it is? I've been waiting for like 2 months for this to come out ever since I saw the movie. So while Holly's here, I'll just unbox it for you guys. So let's go. Yeah. Let's see.
Yes, he's going to go on the look for a second. So, yeah. And Bethany's got Holly in there. So, yeah. Wonderful managed.
Oh, look at it. Okay, that's just one. Can you hold it up? This is Blu-ray version. I couldn't decide whether to get the Blu-ray or the normal, so I decided to get this one. Seems like it's got some extra pictures in it, which is good. And it's all glossy. See, got Belle and Bess on the back. And then you've got the rose and the hourglass on the front. And then you've got Gaston and Luther in the middle. So let's see. This looks a bit heavier than it is. Holly, do you want to see how many are in there? Oh, that's strange. Why is it so heavy? Anyway, guys, that was the unboxing of my DVD. Subscribe, like this video, and you'll get more of me. Bye, guys. See you later.